SABIA की कहानीशाला।
Hello, my name is Tanya and today I'm going to tell you all an interesting story about a flock of pigeons and a hunter. Once upon a time, there lived a flock of pigeons on a huge banyan tree. One day, a hunter saw this flock of pigeons and he thought to himself, if I capture these pigeons and sell them, I'll make a lot of money. He came up with this plan. He spread a lot of grains on the ground just below the banyan tree. Just below the hungry pigeons saw these grains and at once they flew down to eat them. As soon as the pigeons landed, the hunter pulled down the rope and captured all those pigeons. The pigeons thought to themselves, they are surely gonna die today. There's no hope left for them. But the leader did not give up on hope. He asked all the pigeons to wait. And at his count of 3, everyone should flap their wings and fly upwards all at once. The leader gave them the signal. 1, 2, 3. And at the third count, everyone flapped their wings and with the net they flew up in the sky. Seeing this, the hunter was so detained and in agony he shouted, "Come back!" But the pigeons flew away. After flying for some time, the pigeons reached a deserted mountain. There lived a mouse who was a friend of the leader. The leader called out to the mouse in need of help. The leader explained the whole situation to the mouse, and the mouse sympathized with them. He called out to his other friends, and together they helped in cutting down the net. And finally, the pigeons were set free. So children, what did you like the most about the story? And what character would you like to play when you are in the story? I have prepared a bunch of activities for you guys to attempt. Vocabulary. Capture. To take a person or animal prisoner. Flock. A number of birds of one kind feeding, resting, or traveling together. Flap. To move something up and down or from side to side, especially in the wind. Agony. Great pain or suffering. Deserted. Empty because all the people have left. Questionnaire. Given below there are some questions which are related to the story. Question number 1. Where did the pigeons live? Answer to this question is, the pigeons lived in the huge banyan tree in the jungle. Question number 2. What do you learn from the story and how are you going to implement it in your daily life? Answer to this question is, we learn that there is strength in unity. Only if we work as a team and stay united, we can overcome any difficulty in our lives. Question number 3. There were 2 parts where the moral teamwork was depicted. What were they? Answer to this question is, the part where teamwork was first depicted is when the pigeons all together flew high in the sky along with the net. And the second part where teamwork is seen is when the rats work together as a team to free the pigeon from the net. True or false? Given below are some statements which you have to determine are true or false regarding to the story. Statement number 1. The flock of crows got trapped by the hunter. Answer to this statement is false. Statement number 2. The mouse was a kind friend of the leader and helped them to set free from the net. Answer to this statement is true. Statement number 3. The flock of pigeons were captured and sold by the hunter. Answer to this statement is false. Match the following. Here there are 2 columns given below. You have to select the word from column A which matches the word from column B perfectly. The words in column A are hunter, flock, mouse. The words in the column B are net, gun, pigeon. The answer to this activity is hunter matches with gun because a hunter uses a gun to shoot animals. Pigeon, as a group of pigeon is known as a flock. Mouse matches with net because the mouse cut the net to free the pigeons in the story.
Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.